If you don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time for monetization on YouTube, it's still possible for you to make money on your channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how. But before I dive into this video, if you could use extra money in your bank account, be sure that you obliterate that like button. And if you are looking for ways to save, make money, and you're interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. The first thing that you can do to make money off of your YouTube channel, even if you have not already been accepted into the partner program or monetized with YouTube, is by promoting affiliate links. Promoting affiliate links can be an earning opportunity for channels that offer in-depth tutorials as well as insightful product reviews. For example, if you recommend a product and a user visit your link and buy it, you will earn a commission from that transaction. A lot of times it will be anywhere between 2 and 10% for most places. Many stores that you know of, even the big box stores, will offer affiliate programs. You just have to check out their website. But be sure that you're not just pouring these affiliate links all over your content, because one, that's just annoying and people will not lock into that and click on those links, because you got to remember that viewers will only follow these links if they believe that you are a trusted resource and not just for the monetary benefit. Another way that you can make money on YouTube without monetization through YouTube is partnering with brands and also sponsorships. Companies can pay you to make videos using, mentioning, or reviewing their products, and this is even if you don't have a large following. If you have an audience that trusts you with a certain brand, brands are trying to reach that market, so they may be willing to pay you for those leads and by putting their products out there in front of their potential customers. And another way that you can monetize your YouTube channel is through selling merchandise. There are two ways that you can go about this. Either you can sell products that you buy in bulk and you go back and sell them at a higher price, or you can produce your own items, meaning that you can make your own items, especially if you are creative. You can take advantage of YouTube and go back and sell those items on your YouTube channel. Like if you make jewelry, if you write ebooks, if you make shirts, online courses, coaching, the list can really go on and on. If you go this route, make sure that you build your channel around those products. Don't be all over the place, because then your audience will not know what they're going to get, what you are offering. I mean, you don't want bracelets and trinkets one day and TVs and computers the next. So just be in one particular category. If it's going to be jewelry, if it's going to be ebooks, if it's going to be electronics, you get the idea. And another way that you can make money on YouTube without the monetization process is by licensing your videos. Licensing the videos that you upload protects you in case someone wants to steal your content and use it in a way that you don't agree with. But besides this, you can take advantage of the licensing to make money off of your YouTube videos. Just say if your content is licensed and others, they won't be able to use it without your consent. So therefore, they will have to pay you in order to use your videos. This too will also create a passive income stream for you as well. You can head over to a website like Junkin Media to start your licensing video process today. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below for that website. All you have to do is register and submit your videos. From there, companies that are looking for videos will come on that website, and if they want to use your video, they will pay for it. And that's how you make the money off of that. Or you can make money by gathering a fan base and get donations off of that. So once you have built a bit of a loyal following on YouTube, you can use websites like Patreon to receive donations that will help fund your YouTube channel. And with this, Patreon subscribers, you can give them a little extra in return, like additional video content, access to exclusive live chats, merchandise, even shout outs in your video video. And again, I'm gonna leave the link for Patreon in the description box below. So don't jump and start doing all of these at once. Pick one and learn how to properly benefit from it and grow from there. For more ways to make money, check out the top video right over there. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next video.